This is the decorative LED tree. You've only got a few components that are actually involved here. You've got the base here, you've got a USB cord here, and you've got the tree itself that you can actually adjust once you get done putting it inside the base here. Let's show you how this works. I want to quickly mention that you can put batteries in the bottom as well. So in the case that you don't want to use a USB, you can do that as well. All right, so we're going to put the plug in here. Now we can go ahead and grab the tree itself, and we're going to put it in here. And it should snap lightly in there. So now we can go ahead and actually adjust the branches of this bonsai tree. Now you can do that accordingly to how you want to actually create it. So let's just give you an idea of what it looks like. I've already taken some of the parts and I pieced them out like I wanted to, and you can do the same. And again, I just want to show you how easy it really is to do this. Now you can look at the picture in the box and you can mold it that way as well. These are very bendable. So as far as like where you want them to go, once you bend it, you can pretty much control how you want it. And you can see just like that. That's just part of it there. All right, so now that I've finished the rest of it here, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and show you exactly what it looks like. I've got the tree on a little nightstand now. Now here's your button right there, and we're gonna press it once. And then if you press it again, you can actually have it on another setting. Again, it's kind of bright from what you can see right now, but if you want it to blink, that's up to you. Preferably, I like it on the setting where it doesn't do any blinking at all, and it just acts as a lamp. So you can see, as I said before, you can adjust these how you want. I kind of went by some of what I saw in the box, but you can see how this could be either a nice gift or just something that you can add around the house that will really kind of brighten up a room without being too bright, but also add something that's a little different, which is just a soft light in a room.